Hello, my name is Donelys Duran. In this video, I will be talk about my digital portfolio. The first activity is planning a topic didactic strategies. You can learn to play a strategy in the area of geometry, where a student can work collaborative and using the environment are or recurse. There are multiple strategies to use in a classroom to improve the teaching and learning process in high school. The second activity is the teacher role. And I was able to learn to the teaching function is that of a professional nature that implies the direct relation of the systematic and learning process, which includes the diagnosis, planning, exceptions, implement activities uh, in classroom. Finally, the last activity is behavior. In this activity, where I was able to learn many things through a video that the teacher present in class. I know respect, a good behavior in the classroom is very important since with these values we will success in our life and have continued improvement through the days and thus become better people and professional. Striving to obtain new knowledge for our day to day. This is my digital portfolio. Thank you for watching.